Imagine this, it's 10 p.m. You're lying in bed, heart racing, your account's almost empty. Rent is due tomorrow and you've got $3 left. No savings, no backup, just a phone and Wi-Fi. Panic kicks in. So you Google fastest way to make $100. And what do you get? Surveys that pay cents, apps that make $2 a week, scams everywhere. But here's what actually works, and I mean really works. Step 1, go to Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. Step 2, offer a microservice, something you can deliver in under 1 hour. This could be writing a short blog post, creating a logo using Canva, editing a reel or TikTok video, writing cold emails, generating AI prompts or chatbot replies using ChatGPT. Don't think you have a skill? You're wrong. Right now, people are using ChatGPT to generate resumes, quotes, scripts, and selling them for $30 to $60 each. Here's the key. Add express delivery, 1 hour turnaround in your gig title. People in a rush pay more. It's psychological. You charge $50. 2 clients, that's $100. And if you hustle a bit, this can happen tonight. This isn't clickbait, it's speed plus value plus smart packaging. Comment hungry if you want a free list of best-selling 1-hour gigs. If this helped you even a little, hit subscribe. It's free, and it pushes me to keep making more just for you.